Today we are making broccoli spinach saag. This is a very tasty and delicious recipe and is healthy as well. Try this recipe, you'll love the taste. In summer season when sarson saag is not available, you can try this. It is much more tastier. Now let's start this very unique recipe. 1 large-sized broccoli. Spinach half kg. Chop these ingredients and add into pan. Add 1 bunch Maithi. Add chopped broccoli. Add half a chopped onion. Garlic cloves 6 or 7. Garlic cloves 6 or 7. Chopped green chilli. Red coarse chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. At the end, add 2 cups of water. Make sure to mix it well. After mixing it, cover it and cook for 30 minutes on low heat. In the middle of cooking it, check it. If the water has dried, add more water. If it has not cooked properly, cover it again and cook it further for 15 or 20 minutes. The saag is now cooked properly. Its color has changed and it is soft. That means it's cooked. Add ginger paste in the end for good taste. Mix the ginger properly. Cook this for 4 minutes. The saag is almost ready. Now we need to blend it for a few seconds. Make sure to only blend it for a few seconds. Pour this into the pan. Cover it and cook it for 3 minutes. Add coriander. Keep aside. Let's make tarka. Add 3 tablespoons of desi ghee into the frying pan. We are using pure desi ghee, but you can also use oil instead of ghee. Add chopped garlic, chopped green chili, and chopped onion. Cook them until they are golden brown. This is a very yummy recipe. If you have tried it, give us your feedback in the comment section down below. Make sure to cook this on low heat. If the heat is too high, it will surely burn. Once it is golden brown, add the Zeera. Now add the saag in this tasty tarka. Put in as much saag as you want, according to your taste. Mix the saag and the tarka well together. This is a very healthy recipe because it contains spinach, broccoli, and Maithi. It also has a lot of iron. Kids don't like broccoli, so you can give it to them in this way. Alhamdulillah, this very tasty and delicious saag recipe is ready. You can garnish this very tasty recipe with coriander, green chili and butter. Serve it with rice or roti or makai ki roti. If you have not subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe to Cooking and Style. Like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.